MSI PRO X670-P Wi-Fi Pro series is a motherboard that says, hey, I might be easy on your wallet, but that doesn't mean I'm skimping on features. This is ideal for all of you who love getting top-tier performance without burning a hole in your pocket. The VRM on this motherboard is a 14 plus two-phase design, which is more than enough. However, I gotta warn you overclockers out there, this isn't meant for heavy lifting. Sure, you could try it, but it's safer to keep your processor at stock speeds to avoid any unexpected tantrums. In terms of design, this one screams MSI through and through, with the Pro Series and MSI logos proudly displayed on the VRM. But if you're into the whole RGB scene, this might leave you feeling a bit blue, because this motherboard is light on the light show. The upside is it comes with a generously sized heatsink, which is your best friend when it comes to keeping the VRM chill and extending the life of your system. Now let's talk features and ports. The MSI X670-P Pro Series brings a lot to the table. We're talking 4 DIMM slots, supporting up to a staggering 128 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, meaning you can pump those memory speeds up to 6600 plus megahertz. Perfect for those who love squeezing every drop of performance from their systems. On the USB front, this baby doesn't disappoint, with 8 USB ports on the rear and 9 more available to be added to the case, including 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. You've got plenty of room for all your gadgets. Plus, it supports 4 M2 slots for snappy storage and 6 SATA slots for both hard and solid state drives. The MSI PRO X670-P also brings some serious networking chops to the table, with a 2.5 gigabit LAN and Wi-Fi 6E to keep you in the fast lane. And for all the multitaskers out there, it has an HDMI port and a display port, so you can run 2 monitors at once. So who's this for? If you're watching your wallet, not planning on overclocking, and want a motherboard that delivers on features and connectivity, then the MSI PRO X670-P Wi-Fi Pro Series is right up your alley. But if you're an RGB aficionado or a hardcore overclocker, you might want to keep browsing. To sum up what I like in this board is the affordable price, the great aesthetics, the solid connectivity, the DDR5 RAM support up to 128 gigabytes at 6600 plus megahertz, and killer networking with 2.5 gigabit LAN and Wi-Fi 6E. On the downside, the lack of RGB lights and limited overclocking capabilities due to 14 plus 2-phase VRM design. But remember, you're getting top-notch features without the top-tier price tag. Before you dash off, I've got another awesome video for you right here with the 3 best motherboards for Ryzen 9 7900X. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So sit tight and let's keep this journey rolling. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next one, stay awesome.